Hopefully you're familiar with Pythagoras' theorem, which says that when we have a right angle triangle, this side, which is A, this side B, and the longest side, the hypotenuse side, being C, they're related using this formula. So this side squared plus this side squared equals this side squared. And let's say, for argument's sake, A, let's make it 3. So it doesn't look like a 9. A is 3, and we'll say this is 4. 3 and 4, what? Let's say it's meters. How long is C going to be? What's the length of C? Well, we know that we can just substitute in and then solve for C. And C is squared here, so we know that at some stage we're going to be taking a square root to solve it. But let's put them in now just to see how we go. A is 3, so 3 squared. B is 4 equals C squared. Okay, so far so good. Let's get rid of these 2's as much as we can. So 3 squared, 3 times 3 is obviously 9. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 25. So let's combine those so we know that C squared is 25. We don't need to worry about the meters for now. We'll put those in the end. Okay, we want to get rid of this 2. Don't like that 2 there, because we weren't asked what's C squared. We're asked what is C. So to get rid of that, we're going to take the square root of both sides. Remember, we can do anything as long as we do it to both sides. And that's going to have the effect of cancelling out the square and the square root. So C is going to be the square root of 25. Remember what square root means? It says what number times itself equals 25. So some number squared is 25. What number would go in here? Well, the answer is 5. And 5, what is it? 5 elephants, 5 milkshakes? No, it's 5 meters. So this side here is 5 meters. Now you may be saying to yourself, okay, isn't the square root of 25, isn't that plus 5 and minus 5? Because minus 5 squared is also 25? Well, in this case, no, that wouldn't be an answer, because the answer that we're looking for is a length, and we can't have a negative length unless you're Stephen Hawking or Albert Einstein. You have negative imaginary time, negative length, negative space, dark matter. We're nowhere near being near there, so the answer is 5. 5 it is, 5 meters.